Welcome to the SKAN Pro on-demand tutorial. This process will help you get a better understanding of the talent acquisition software SKAN Pro and how to use this for team management. Now, before we get started, the first thing we want to do is help you understand the SKAN Pro philosophy. We prioritize certain skills, soft skills, over personality traits. Now, as we go through this tutorial, you're going to see some graphics that define skills that define transformational and servant leadership, as well as the behaviors that define and support introversion and extroversion. When we talk about skills, we do talk about servant and transformational leadership, and there are 7 competencies that define these. When we talk about personality, we're going to talk about the behaviors and the temperaments that flow from introversion and extroversion. The philosophy is simply this: personality traits interfere with skills. We want to maximize skills, minimize the habits and behaviors of personality. When it comes to hiring, we want to help you find those people who already possess a high level of these skills that will help them be a better communicator and a better influencer and an overall better leader.